Bollywood beauty Dia Mirza graciously walked the ramp for Z for Z on the final day of the Fashion Week. We caught up with the designer and the muse, and here's what they had to say.
Dia, you look ravishing. Seriously, you're so beautiful. And a lovely dress. What do you think about his collection?
I think it's outstanding, and I think it's outstanding because it's so elegant and so simple and yet so wearable, and it's striking in the right sense of the word.
You've been in the industry for some time now. What do you think about Bollywood?
I love my job. I can't talk about the industry on the whole. I can only speak about my work experience, and I think it's intense. I think as a human being, you grow from strength to strength. There's a lot about life that you learn from this profession because it's such a people's profession and such a creative profession, and yet there's just so much business and economics involved with it. So it's an interesting blend of lots of things, and I'm grateful for everything I've got.
What's your fashion statement? When you're not working, what do you love to wear?
I think I'm classic chic. I'm very, very old in the head, so it's vintage for me any day.
What do you think about Dubai?
I love Dubai. I've been here so many times, and I have family here, and I love coming and spending time with them. But for me, I think Dubai is exactly what Zaim said. It's the quintessential amalgamation of so many different cultures and so many different people coming together and living harmoniously together. So that's what makes it beautiful.
And now we are giving you a chance to win a gorgeous dress worth 800 dirhams from Z4Z. Just answer this simple question. Where is Z4Z label available in Dubai? A. Samsara, B. Onsom, C. Fashion House. Send in your answers to win@highlifedubai.ae or go on our website, click on competition and answer this simple question. The Dubai Fashion Week was a whirlwind of events, catwalks and more events. Local and regional designers and fashion houses were able to present their collection to a global audience of buyers, media, fashion professionals and of course to you. हमेशा की तरह शो के अंत में हम आपको वो सोशल इश्यूज़ के बारे में बताएंगे जो हमारे लिए और हमारे सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं, और आज हम आपको पिंक वॉकाथॉन की झलक दिखाएंगे। I was very comforted to see so many men along with throngs of women and children walking the walk, supporting the cause.
Why are you walking today?
To support all the women in the world for their, good health.
We're working for the breast cancer. I think it's very important to kind of raise awareness.
Because 1 in every 8 women die of breast cancer.
We need to spread awareness, and we all women, and we all have mothers, sisters, daughters.
Walking with supporting the breast cancer. I've known 2 people who obviously have gone through this.
I want to raise the awareness for breast cancer.
Because I know people with breast cancer, and I think we should raise awareness.
We're walking to raise awareness for breast cancer.
What a great feeling it was to be surrounded by thousands of enthusiastic people waking up to a good cause that morning. मेरी तरफ से आप सबको बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद. And with that, we have reached the end of tonight's Style Report. I hope all you fashion followers have had your fill. Well, at least enough to last till the time we are back again next week. I totally enjoy reading your emails and suggestions, so do keep writing in. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy, and come back again next week to live the high life with me. This is Uma signing off.